Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with a Walmart Ibotta haul and a Target Ibotta haul. I did both stores, okay? Got a little bit here and a little bit there, so I got to share it with my lovely people. All right, guys, let's jump into it. The first rebate I decided to do was on the Well Yes soup. This one is the Well Yes Power Soup. It's like a microwavable soup, Southwest style chicken. And then I got a Cajun style chicken. My husband will maybe take these in his lunch. They were priced $1.98 in my Walmart for a total of $3.96. Now the Ibotta rebate is for $2.49 for a final cost of $1.47 after the Ibotta rebate. I think that's a good deal for 2 soups. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Kraft dressing. This is the sweet raspberry vinaigrette. That might be tasty. $1.98. There's a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.73. I'm curious to try this. It's gonna remind me of a Panera bread salad I had one time that had a sweet kind of vinaigrette on it. Dressing, so that's the reason why I got it. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Let me know if you guys have tried that before. Now I decided to do the butter finger next because it's a cheap rebate. Okay, 88 cents, 25 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost 63 cents. The next rebate I decided to get was the hand and hand soap. I finally found a hang tag, guys, but it wasn't on this size. It was the larger refill for $1. I took it off and used it because it says for any, okay? So this one was $3.97. I used that $1 hang tag in store. I paid $2.97 after the coupon, got $1 back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.97 for this pricey soap. Now this one is grapefruit and orange blossom. I have the green one in my office at work and I like it. The next one, I got the Airwick. My friend Tiffany, Savvy Saver, she told me that the rebate was attaching to this one, so that was good. I didn't have a coupon, but I was okay with it because y'all know I love to get these things. $2.97, $1 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $8.97. I got the pumpkin spice because I just thought, you know, it's festive, it's fall. I decided to get the M&M mix, okay, $1.48. I got 25 cents for my Ibotta. Final cost $8.23 for the little candy. Y'all know this is my morning voice, right? I sound like I'm congested, but you know, it's the morning voice. It goes away in a little while. It's my Barry White. All right, so the Gorilla Blue Box Pasta, you know, I'm stocking up for Thanksgiving and Christmas, getting an elbow macaroni for Richard's macaroni. Now this one is $1.28, 30 cents coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost 98 cents for the Barilla elbow pasta. I'm gonna keep getting it. Next is the Freshly's. All right, love these things, okay? Freshly's are priced $2.86, 75 cents from Ibotta. Final cost $2.11. Okay, guys, let's move on to the Target rebates, okay? Target, went to Target, and y'all know I like to get Target sometimes when I can get them high value rebates. I like the high value rebates to hurry up, bump me up to $20, okay? So the first thing that I decided to get was the Colgate value pack of the 3 toothpaste. And if this sucker resets, I can't go back and do it again because they had the coupons on the app, okay? So this was $3.99. There's a $2 Target clip to app Target Circle coupon that's in the app that's attaching to this, making me pay $1.99 in store. Now, Ibotta is giving back a $3 rebate under the Target categories in Ibotta, making this be free and $1.01 MONEYMAKER. Yeah, I was excited. The next one, I'm being super silly this morning. I don't know why. The next rebate I decided to get was on the 2-pack of the Colgate Total. All right. Now, this was priced $6.99. There is a $3 app coupon in the Target circle, making the cost be $3.99 in store. But Ibotta is giving back $5. So $5 came back from Ibotta, making this be free, and $1.01 money maker. Yeah, love the money makers, okay? Next one I decided to get was just a single pack of the Colgate Total. Now, this one was priced $3.99. No coupon attached to this one, which was okay. Got $2 back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.99. Now, for some reason, any toothbrush attached, okay, to these rebates. Well, you know what? Crystal not turning down no free rebate. I did not unclick it. Now, if you want to unclick it, you can, but I didn't. No, ma'am. Next rebate I decided to do was on the liquid dish soap, okay? This one was priced 79 cents in the dish soap section. This is the Smarty brand, okay? I guess that's like a Target brand or something. But there's any dish soap for 10 cents that attached to this, making the final cost 69 cents. Okay, I was trying to finish my $5 bonus, so I had to get me some rebates that was going to bump me up to that portion, okay? But all in all, I think these some good rebates, guys. Go over to your Target Ibotta section and check it out. See if you got these high value rebates. Maybe you do. I hope you do. If this video was helpful for you guys, let me know in the comments below of the video. Okay, y'all know my strategy, because I'm rolling Ibotta money. I'm getting the stuff that I want, and I'm getting the cheap, okay? And I love the high value stuff. I can get the high value rebates. I love to do that, guys. I hope you will have an amazing, amazing Wednesday, guys. If you guys have not seen my Frugal Tip Tuesday video, I will try to make sure that I link it right there so you guys can go and check it out. All right, remember, click to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.